name is Billy Kirk, born and bred in St Andrews, and I was first diagnosed with prostate cancer 10 years ago. The first course I had was radium treatment for a month at 9 Wells. After that, I've been back and forward to 9 Wells every month and getting steroids to prevent the growth of the cancer. I have a great faith in the staff at 9 Wells. They've done a fantastic job with everybody, but especially with me. I couldn't fault them in any way. I would say to anybody that has cancer, prostate or otherwise, that I couldn't have got through this without the NHS and my family, who have been terribly supportive to me, and a wife who watches everything I eat, everything I do, and all the rest of it. But without the NHS, I love a good family, and my faith, I could overcome this. It was a lady, I think she was called a nursing doctor, Christine Patterson at 9 Wells. She first referred me to come down here. I think it's fantastic. I said earlier today, there's some days I come in here and I can't be bothered coming over St Andrews. But once I'm in here, done the hour, when I go out, I feel a damn sight better when I go out than I did when I come in. And I do a lot of the exercises at home just to keep the fitness going. Highly recommend it, highly recommend it. I'd give it a 5-star rating. 5 out of 5-star rating. It's nice meeting other guys that's had the same problem as yourself. It'll help you, and it'll help you cope better with your cancer. Secondly, it'll make you stronger to cope with the cancer. Without a shadow of a doubt, this is the place to come.